Good evening. Thank you for joining us. A former daycare worker from Rochester is sentenced following multiple allegations of child sexual abuse. 24-year-old Noah Hofler did not receive prison time after pleading guilty to child endangerment. Instead, the judge ordered probation. As former co-workers of Hofler tell Ryan Hermanette, they're frustrated by the outcome of this case.
3 years probation is the sentence for a former daycare worker accused of sexually abusing multiple children here in Greece. As folks were leaving that packed courtroom tonight, I caught up with a few former employees of the same daycare, and they tell me justice was not served.
We did our part, these parents did their part. The court didn't.
24-year-old Noah Hofler, a former employee at the Doodle Bugs child care center in Greece, was sentenced to probation after allegations of child sexual abuse were made against him more than 2 years ago. I spoke with a group of his former co-workers outside the courtroom under the condition of anonymity who said they watched this go on for years.
I mean, we all walk around and we're like, who's going to sit in the room so that Noah's not in there by himself with kids? Right. Trying to make sure that, at least somebody's watching what's happening.
But they claim the management at Doodle Bugs didn't take these concerns seriously. We reached out to the child care center for comment, but have not yet heard back.
We all reported it. I feel like all of us standing here reported something and nothing was done about it.
State police began their investigation in November of 2024 and eventually charged Hofler with felony sexual abuse and 2 counts child endangerment. But Hofler was sentenced on only 1 count of child endangerment.
It's insane because after all of this is said and done and his probation is up, who's to say he's not going to go and touch more kids?
One mom says her sons were victimized by Hofler and wrote an impact statement, which she says the judge would not allow her to read before sentencing. She wrote in part, quote, "The emotional and mental toll this took on us was grueling. It was scary, stressful, and nervous-wracking. It created a living hell."
These kids have to deal with that for the rest of their lives.
3 stay-away protection orders were also put in place between Hofler and 3 individuals in effect for the next 5 years. And another element of the agreement between the prosecution and Hofler is that he undergo mental health evaluations and treatment, and he did agree to those terms tonight in court. Reporting from Greece, Ryan Hermanette, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand. Plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.